It's giving me very sexy, you know what I mean? Like, don't play with her kind of sexy, you know? It's not that I don't want you here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal, and as you can tell by the title, I am doing a review of this hair unit that Sam's Beauty was so kind to send me. I got this unit in Destiny, and let me just say, this is the first time I had ever tried this brand, and I don't have any complaints. It was very easy, and y'all know, if y'all don't know, I am new to wearing units and laying my lace. What I love about this unit is this lace came in the option of a brown, or I think a white or neutral lace, but I got the brown because obviously your girl's a little chocolate or whatever. And I did cut a few layers in the side to kind of frame my face a little bit, because I did not like how it was just straight blunted. I just didn't like how everything was the same length, so I put a few layers in it, which I think is cute. You know, your girl lay her baby hairs a little bit or whatever. So I really love this unit. It is a 13 by 6. I'm pretty sure you can part it whichever way you want to, but I just decided to, you know, tuck it behind my ear a little bit. Y'all know I'm still trying to learn on how to do my ear tabs. Don't judge me, but you know, I made it do what it do. I really like this unit. I love the coloring of it. Let me show you the back. This is the back of the unit, and it's really not tangling at this kind of length. I would expect it to be like very tangled up, but it really is not. I really like it, to be honest. This is that cute, I'm going on a date type unit, you know. It's very cute, and I love how the ends are, you know, dyed. I like the little swoop over. You know, you can bring it a little bit more this way, you know, to kind of frame your face. If you want to be real sexy with it, you know what I'm saying, cover that eyebrow and that eye, you know. It's cute. I really like it. So I don't have any complaints about this unit. And also too, I want to give a big thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit to do a review. And if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I am on the road to 1K. Also, turn on your post notifications after you have subscribed so you will be notified the next time I post a video. And make sure you comment down below. Let me know how you like this unit. Do you like this color? Do you like how I styled it? Let your girl know. Until the next time, bye.